Hey, Matt here with 911R. We have this really nice 75 Carrera Coupe. This is a US version car. They built 395 of these cars for the US. They were the kind of the iteration of the 73 911 RSs. And in Europe, they came with an MFI engine, and a 3-liter. In the US, they were the 2.7 CIS. So they're a little bit detuned, but they still have all the Carrera suspension brakes and the cool interiors, which was the throne style sport seats and the 3-spoke sport steering wheel. It's a little bit thicker. These cars originally came with what was called blue-black interior, and this one has been redone in the black trim, and it looks very nice. The leather all is in great shape. The door cards, everything has all been redone in the car. The car was taken completely apart and refinished in the original black that you see. Engine was all fully rebuilt. I pulled all the numbers on the engine and transmission. They're all correct to the correct period, spec'd as a Carrera car. You can tell that by the numbers on the transmission and the range on the engine. I firmly believe they are original parts to the car. You know, you can't get the old COAs like you used to. You can get the classic certificates if you take the car and have it inspected. But that's it's a long drawn out process, so it's not something we can easily do. But by looking up the numbers, looking up the codes, it does appear to be the original engine transmission. I'd be shocked if it wasn't. But the engine bay is really nice and tidy. You can tell when they did all the plating, all the CAD's all been redone. It's got an aftermarket airbox, which looks pretty cool. But all the right stickers, all the trim. The Carrera tail for 75, oh, this is kind of cool. It has a stopper on it instead of the gas strut that goes out, which is kind of nice. Carrera tail was unique to this car in 75. It's the first of, kind of the whale tail look. Again, coming around, you see all new seals. The bright work on the trim is all really nice. Looks like it's got some carbon floor mats in it. 8-inch wheel in the rear. Looks like a 7 in the front, which is a nice little upgrade. The Carrera striping on the side. It's a very, very honest car. I would be happy to drive this car at any time. Nothing better than a black 911. Any other questions, please use the contact seller button and we'll get you, we'll answer anything we can. I'm happy to get any details, or also if you're ever interested in 911R selling a car for you, use the contact seller button and we'll be happy to talk about it. Thank you very much.